Can I drive after passing my DMV road test? Right? We've been getting that a lot coming from a lot of students. This been here. We're reversing. We have to look behind us. Can I drive after passing my DMV road test? All right. So the car coming to my right side. Let's let it clear. Folks, the answer to that is yes. Okay. After you take the DMV road test here in New York City after 6 p.m., you will go online to get the result of your test. If you get a passing slip, right from there, you are 110% eligible to start driving with no supervision by yourself with that passing slip on your phone, along with your learner's permit. All right? Let me say it slow. With that passing slip on your phone, along with your learner's permit. If you even want to get technical, print out the passing slip, you're allowed to do that, but it's not an obligation. It's more likely for you to keep it on the phone because these days, everybody carry their phone with them anywhere that they go. All right. So, but if you want to go the old age like me, you can print it out and have it with you in your purse, wherever, somewhere in your car, until the actual learner's permit driver's license arrive in the mail, as you did for the interim paper, right? Because once you pass the written exam test, they give you an interim paper. Then with that, you can start doing lesson. You can start driving with in the company of a driver license or with a driving school. You just need that slip. So does the license. Once you, after 6 p.m., you get your result, you pass the test. Yes, you can drive in New York with no restriction, unless you under the age of 18. You have a GJ license. Then after you got your license, you still have to wait until you pass the restriction, because in New York City here, there's a restriction on people under the age of 18. All right, there's a restriction on that, on when you can drive. We have a video specifically for that in the channel. That's not the question we're addressing today, because we have this question coming in: Can I drive with my can I drive after I pass my road test here in New York City? Yes, you can. The very same day you get the result after 6 p.m. Congratulations, you NYS licensed driver now. You can go places by yourself. If you're new here, I'm Ben with Pierrepaul Driving School. In this channel, we are all in about driving. Any question, anything that you want me to answer, I will answer it in a video format, as I'm doing this one right here. And for you, so you may consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. And this channel here, we post it 3 times a day: Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday. And every morning 6 a.m. we're answering questions that you guys have, that I will answer personally on a video format. If you're in the New York area, however, you want Pierrepaul Driving School to help you with all your driving needs, check the link in the description below. And if you are a driver, if you are a learner, a permit holder, you have a road test coming up. We do have mock tests, however, so to evaluate your performance, to give you a fair, honest opinion, are you road test ready? If you are road test ready, all right? We're gonna continue with our left and right as we do here on the regular. We continue on our left and right, and we answer question you guys might have, because a lot of people can learn from the question. We like to take time to thank you guys for all your questions you've been asking. Because of you guys, we were able to have a broad library of videos because of the questions that you guys asking. Put them in the comment below, all right? We're gonna go with our regular left and right. We're gonna do a parallel parking with that silver car up on the right, okay? We're gonna signal the attention. You're all right, shoulder right. You're gonna line up next to the car. You're gonna line up next to the car, leaving room for one person to walk in between the car. And we'll get mirror to mirror. We stop there. Signal to reverse. One full turn to the right. Verify mirror left, shoulder left. One hand behind the examiner. We pick up mirror right, shoulder right. And make sure we enjoy. We're gonna reverse. We're going back slow. We're gonna keep going. Okay. See, we keep looking. We're gonna keep going until. Okay, we keep looking until the mirror hit the driver tail light. From here, we like the wheel all the way over to the left, guys. It's a process. Check again, and we continue to go back with the signal always one side. We're looking back and forth to see when the car straight line up. We're looking back and forth to see when the car straight line up, okay? After the car being straight line up, here, we're gonna turn the wheel 1.5 to the right, which is, we take the half first, and we take the whole full to the right, put the car into drive, we pull up a little bit, then from there we put the car, we pull up a little bit, then from there we put the car into parking. All right, there you have it, folks. This is how we do parallel parking here at Pierrepaul Driving School. And also this is how we are showing you guys how to do the parking, because it's the way that they want you to do the parking. It's not how we want to do the parking, it's how they want us to do the parking, and we will do just that. Like I said again, guys, anything you guys want us to cover in particular, put it in the comment below. That's where most of our questions coming from. Just like this one here, the person was asking, can I drive after I pass my road test in New York City? Yes, you can. And I believe, and all this state, after you pass your license and the document that they give you along with your learner's permit, you're able to drive here in New York City. I don't know if there is any, if it's different from where you live. Please let me know in the comment below. If you're watching this somewhere that is different, if you're watching this somewhere that is different from, if you're watching this somewhere that is different from New York City, let me know in the comment below. Like I said, is the thing that you guys are telling us, the thing that you put in the comment. That's why we're able to grow our video library for all of the questions that you guys have. Once again, Benny with Pierrepaul Driving School. Any question you guys ever might have, please in the comment below. I promise to answer them on a video format, because I understand that your problem probably unique to you. Other people want to learn from the thing that is hard for you as it relates to driving. As we come up with a video, all of us can share from that video, from that question that you asked. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe and hit the notification subscribe, because you guys help the channel in that manner, so many people can see the work that we are doing. We're in Brooklyn, we're in New York here. My question to you of the day, we always have a question. If you've done your road test already, you passed, where did you do your road test? Now, if you have not yet done your road test, you have a road test coming up. If it's in Brooklyn, where will be your road test? If you are a driver, if you are a learner's older, you have a road test coming up. Are you road test ready? Ask yourself that question. Are you road test ready? Or if you're doing, listen, with the driving school, ask your instructor, am I road test ready? You wanted to know if you're road test ready. If the instructor cannot answer if you are road test ready, understand what I mean by road test ready, it's a problem. Because all instructors should understand, should know that the road test is not only about driving, is how DMV want you to drive to pass the test. After doing your lesson or whatnot, you must making sure that you are road test ready. With that, you're gonna know what are your chances like for you to pass your test. Here at Pierrepaul Driving School, that's what we do, and that's what we have been doing, and that's what we're gonna continue to do until we help many people as possible as we can help. We understand that driving requires some strong responsibility. It is you and I, our duty, to make sure that we educate ourselves in the best of our ability, because in the event that anything were to happen while we're driving, we cannot be sorry. We're supposed to be in a position to make the best decision ever, and because you and I take a decision, probably the best one to do, may not be the best one to do, but that's the one we deem to be good at the moment that we make the decision. That is why we have to educate ourselves to make decisions. Because you and I are not looking for trouble, doesn't mean that trouble will not be coming our way. It is ourselves to make sure that we try to stay out of trouble as much as we can as it relates to driving. How can we stay out of trouble? Understanding the rules, understanding the don't, understanding that the thing that we can do to protect ourselves, as well to make people around us feel safe when they're driving. This is our mission. This is our goal here at Pierrepaul Driving School, and that's what we want all of us collectively build a community to help other people on the world that are driving. Then they can guide from the video that we put on this channel. All right. Thanks again, guys, for your time. Like, share, and subscribe. Until then, keep practicing. This has been Pierrepaul Driving School. Take care now. Bye bye.